tens into it, put 20 bucks in there, got down to $8.90, hit ourselves a bonus, and now we don't know which one to pick. Come on, Jake, which one are we gonna pick?
5, 10, 5. How about 10?
Let's go 10.
10. Ready?
Yep.
Okay, here we go.
$24 on that one. Whoa.
Not bad. 3 of 10.
Are we on game 3 of 10? We are on 3 of 10. Yeah.
$31.
Oh, look at that. Oh, it's only $6.90. It looked better than what it really was. Oh, we need a retrigger.
8 of 10.
We need a retrigger. Right here. We need, right here. Nope, nope.
Last one. Come on, close.
Hey, $39.30. Okay, we'll take it. That was 88 cents a spin. We're back up to 48.20. And let's just take a look. How would we like to play this? Let's do the $1.88. Come on, let's hit some $1.88.
$1.88.
$1.88. Got $2 out of that.
Let's do it again.
Yeah. Okay, that wasn't a whole lot. You know why? Because you're not playing 288. That's why.
Okay, 288. Winner, winner.
Good winner. Come on,
One more.
Let's do 5 of those. Let's see what happens to 5 of them.
Number 2.
That's number 2.
Number 3.
And that was 15 cents.
4.
Okay, do it again. Do it again.
One line. Here's number 5.
Oh, I thought we were going to close it. Okay, let's go back to $1.88.
$1.88.
That's 1. We're missing 1 drum there.
That's 2. Here's 3. Ready for 4. This will be it.
It's $3.
Alright.
It's almost over your money.
Here's number 5.
Crap, let's go back to 88. That's what we hit on 4. Watch that super thing close on 88 cents.
Four.
Oh man.
One more. This will be it.
No, because you got changed to 88.
Come on. The pot's getting pretty full.
Yeah, it is.
Come on. It's getting full.
There's $1.80.
Is that our fourth one?
I don't know. I wasn't counting. Got $1.20 in trees.
Want to try one more?
Let's do it.
188 seems to be the winner.
Yeah.
For the moment.
Okay. Maybe one of those. Oh, gee, I thought we had it. There it is. There it is. There it is. Again, it's 88 cents. Just like an 88 cents.
Oh, what do we want to do now?
Let's do 5 games.
5 games?
Do 5.
5 it is. Come on, here goes 3.
That was it?
That was it. You won 20, was it 20 bucks?
20 bucks.
That's crazy.
Let's do 88 again.
88 again?
Why not? Can't hurt.
This machine is so big, it's hard to get everything in.
I'm waiting on that thing.
It's going to close.
I know it is.
One of these times.
I know it is. Let's try 288 one.
Ooh, big spender.
One more. Okay, you convinced me to go back to 88.
One more?
Yep. All right, write it out.
This is going to do it.
Oh, wait till we get down to nothing.
Oh, down to $7. Come on.
Every time it does that, I think it's going to close because it's, you know what I mean?
Get close.
Every time it does it.
Oh, going too fast, sorry.
You got $1 back. No.
Oh, getting down to the nitty gritty.
You gotta save it. Come on, you can do it. All right, last one, last spin. Here we go. Oh.
Wah, wah, wah.
And we're down to 7 cents.
Oh, so sad.
All right, well. we're going to go on and find another winning slot machine.
See you guys.
Thank you for watching. Bye.